Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back with another video. This is a plate I designed in SolidWorks, and today I'm gonna get toolpath for this 3D model. Especially I'm going to use drill strategy for create a hole out there. I should say that in reality I used this strategy in my job, and today I'm gonna teach you how you can use the drill bit in to your job or your doing process like that. My material was steel. Let's start. First I select before I start I create my blue size. It's ready. I accept. I replace my work plan. I using block. It's okay. Z is up. It's okay. Now I should active my work plan and recalculate. It's okay. I accept. Z is up, Y and X. It's okay. Now I use the toolpath. I call drilling. Well, in this option drilling, you can see today I'm gonna teach you deep drilling, because I always use this strategy because is moves to the material with several parts, you know. Let's show you. First I use drill bit and clearance is okay. You can change that. In my job is okay. Start 0.0. The peak tip is so important in this strategy. Drill bit moves to down with 2 millimeter, and first step it goes to material 2 millimeter and come up, and next move it's again moves in material 2 and millimeter again. It's repeat at to drill bit arrive to end of material. I use 2 millimeter and deep. I use drip. You can define yourself, and I use drill to hold deep. This option access you that your drill bit goes to down to end of your bottom of your material. It's almost okay. I'm going to my drill to be down there of my material. I select user define, and in this strategy I use $20. It's okay. I use 25. If I use deep to hold drill to deep hole, drill bit moves to end of this material, like this position, move there. When you use user define, you can determine how down your drill bit moved. And okay, I select my tools. For this I use 20. I use drill bit specification. Okay, a lot of options. Okay, now I use the whole. I didn't create thing that I select this option. First I use surface and I select with right click to another part. It's so important part for you want use. You can see is created the place you want to drilling. It's okay. Now you can see in features set box is one drill hole, created hole, and it's okay. I use this, calculate 10, and my drill bit moves up over the plate. Most important option is spindle speed and cutting and plying rate. In reality I used 16 in my job, and next I used 3. It's so important option, because if you be careful when you select or determine a number for this position. And I use this number, and it's I suggest you you calculate to obtain your number for playing fit rate and cutting fit rate, and spindle speed, so important. And I create a toolpath. You can see is okay. For this I use this. Oh, this occurred because my thing is links. You can change your links. It's better mode. You can scheme and save secular. How you can see is better. It's suitable for this strategy. Now let's simulation. Use I put one feed rate to you can see your tools movement. This feature empty the extra material from hole is so important. I increase my control speed. You can see my drill bit across the hole cause I in user defined 25 number for a step down. If I used a deep drill hole tools, the drill bit moves to the end of bottom, you know, in this option. Let's show you. In this option I use user define 25. My drill bit across the hole and comes to end of a hole. Four. It's okay. Well, and for finishing strategy, I use another toolpath. Constant Z. I use the 10 mil with thin diameter. It's okay. I use limit. You can see I accept. Keep inside is so important option. I use spiral. Don't need to change any option, but you be careful. I use tolerance 0.01, thickness it's okay, region is okay. Okay, I don't use my no, I didn't justify my step down. Thickness, I don't use thickness. Step down, I use 17% of tool diameter. My tool is 10, it's okay. Climb, tolerance is okay. It's okay. If I too want the use a pin for put in the hole, I use, if my CNC machine has a tolerance, I use negative number to this strategy. Let's show you. I use thickness. Negative wall thickness, it's okay. It's a negative. When you increase the negative number to achieve your target and put your pin in correctly in the hole. It's so important. If your CNC machine has a tolerance or backlash or lash, you know, and this is our video. I hope you enjoyed that. If you like this video, please subscribe and like to support. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Goodbye.